Hello everyone, welcome to the SGUnited Health Jigsaw. The SGUnited Health Jigsaw is a blended events initiative in which you have to complete a total of 4 challenges. So choose one challenge per puzzle piece. Each puzzle piece represents a key part of the SGUnited initiative. The SGUnited Health Jigsaw aims to encourage the community to connect and exercise together while adhering to the social distancing protocol. We hope to foster bonds and to build the SGUnited spirit through this program, especially during this difficult time. We also hope to empower the community to maintain a healthy and active lifestyle together. Today, we'll be doing the Badminton challenge in the StayUnited at the Park puzzle piece. Before we commence, check your surroundings for any safety hazards. You must conduct this activity at an outdoor area such as a park. Ensure that you are standing a safe distance away from others so as to avoid collision and to maintain social distancing. We also encourage you to wear the appropriate sports attire.
By completing the challenge, you are pledging to
We pledge to stay united and supportive to the greater community. We will help vulnerable groups by donating and volunteering in our own capacity. We will encourage our friends and family to do the same. SGUnited!
Now I'll pass the time over to Trainer Stanley.
Hi, my name is Trainer Stanley. I'll be showing you the techniques for the challenge later. Follow me. Badminton Technique 1 Hitting. Step 1. Hold racket in handshake mode. Step 2. Left leg to the front, racket up. Step 3. Contact shuttle below waist level.